Good day, Raptors. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be giving you a video that is a tutorial of the first person character controller. So what we're going to do in this video is the player look and the movement, and yeah, uh, and this will come in a later video. So but yeah, in this video we're just going to do the character movement and the camera view. Yeah, let's get into it by creating a new project. Call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it tutorial and then create the project. So basically what's going to happen in this video is in this series is we're going to start with the basic things, just like the movement and the look and just getting all the basic components, and a little bit later we'll go a little bit more advanced, like the running and the stamina and all of those things. But you cannot go pro without the basics, so we're just going to do the basics first, and then we're going to go over to the more advanced things. Okay, so go to your project and create a new folder, call this map, and then create a new another new folder, call it scripts. I'm just going to call it AC, and in your scripts folder create a new folder that's going to be your player. Okay, so in here you have to create two scripts. I'm going to do all the scripts in C#, because Java isn't working for me. And yeah, so create a new C# script and call this player move, and then create another script, create another script C# and call it player look, and open that up. Quickly have to do something here. Drag it onto my other screen. Sorry guys, just quickly have to open my notes again because my notes just failed me. So we're going to start with player look, and yeah, player look, and this is going to be basically everything that's in the camera. But before we actually do the player look, we have to set it up, the player itself. So let's just create a little map, empty game object, call that map, everything 0, 3 object, plane. Sorry for background noise, it's just the plane that flew over. Okay, and duplicate, 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 like a standard map. And yeah, here's our basic platform. Save the scene in maps in the map folder. So that's our map, and then for our player we're going to go create a 3D sphere. That's capsule, sorry, not sphere. And you're going to reset that and bring it up a little bit. And you're going to remove the mesh renderer, and you're going to add a few things. You're going to go to physics and you add a rigid body, and then go again to physics and add a character controller, and the rest should stay the same. Okay, then you can call this player, and then in the player you want to create a camera, and the camera would be located, set one above, so it would be above, like at the top of the capsule. Okay, so that is the basics. You can also go and give it a tag of player. Okay, so script wise, you're going to go and add the player movement to the capsule, and we're going to add the player look to the camera. And you can remove that camera. Okay, so in the player look, we're going to first start off with all the variables. So public variables, and it's going to be a public transform. That's going to be our player body. Next public is a public float, and it's going to be called mouse sensitivity. Okay, and the next variable is going to be private, and it's going to be float. Every time it's going to be x axis clamp, and that's going to be equal to 0.0 if. Remember guys, if you ever use a float and you want to add a number, remember the if. Okay, so first off we're going to go and start in the script with a void update, and before we add anything to void update, because we don't want to add stuff in void update, we create different classes that we just assign to void update. So it would just look a little bit more cleaner. So we're going to create a new class, and that's a void rotate camera, and then we can just add this thing to void update. It's easy as that. In void up, in camera rotation, we're going to add a few more variables. We're going to go start with a float, and that's going to be mouse x, and that's going to be equal to input dot get axis, and the axis we're going to get is going to be mouse x, and it's going to duplicate this one. That's going to be mouse y. We're going to get that information from mouse y. Okay. Then the next variable is going to be also a float, and that's going to be rotation x. It's going to be equal to mouse x multiply by mouse sensitivity, and another one is going to be exact same thing, except it's going to be on y. So y. Okay. Then we're going to go into the clamping. Now, two more variables. It's going to be a vector 3, and that's going to be target rotate camera, and it's going to be equal to small letter transform dot rotation dot per angle, and the next one is going to be a vector 3 again. It's going to be target rotation body, and I'll tell you now what that is going to be, and it's going to be equal to layer body Lair body dot rotation dot yeah. So what the target rotation body is going to be is actually going to be the capsule, because if we want to rotate on the X, we don't want to like look at one position and then the forward vector is going to be on the other position. We want to rotate the capsule's forward vector the same as the okay. So if you want to rotate the Y, we're going to rotate the body, not the camera. But if we want to rotate the X, we're going to rotate the camera. There. Let's go on here. Next thing that we have to do is we have to go and say x-axis clamp minus equal rotation y. Okay, and that clamp is just so you don't overlook something. Then you have to assign all the axes. So that's a basic thing. So let's go and start with the rotation. So target rotation camera dot x is minus equal rotation y, and again target rotate cam is dot state always going to be equal 0, because we don't want the camera to do funky things. And then target rotation body dot y is going to be equal or minus equal plus equal rotation x. Okay, now to do the clamp for the axis. So we're going to do that in an if statement. So if x clamp is greater than 90, then I hate it when it does that. Is equal to 90. We're going to go and we're going to say x clamp is equal to 98, and also we're going to go and say the target rotation camera dot x going to be equal 90. That is first one. Next one is a else if. else if x axis clamp dot axis clamp is smaller than -90, then firstly, then we're just going to do exact opposite. We're going to say x-axis clamp is equal to -90, and the target rotation camera dot x is going to be equal -90. Easy as that. So that is all the axis, the clamp done. Then we just have to assign it. So we're going to say transform dot rotation equal to continuing dot this, and it's going to be equal to target rotation camera, easy as that. And then the next one is just going to be the Lair body dot rotation. It's going to be equal the exact same thing. And it's going to be equal to target rotation body. Okay, so if we go into Unity now and we go to our camera script, go to the camera, you'll see there is a player body, and you just add the capsule to that, and the mouse sensitivity, you can add that to like it too. And let's see how this works. Where am I? Not maximize. I don't know why I'm going up. I don't believe anything here has to change. We go to our there. Yeah, no. Oh, we can remove the character controller. Remove component. I believe now everything will work fine. There we go. And as you can see, the X rotates the body, but the Y only the camera. And then my character fell over. That's easy to fix. You just do the freeze rotation on the bottom there. X and Z. it will still rotate Y, and as easy as that. Okay, the next thing is going to be our player movement. So open up player movement. I hated manual development. I hate you. Open my notes. Okay, player movement. We can remove all of these inside and just do that. Okay, in the player movement, we just is a basic. This is really basic. So if you need to see how this would be a good thing for you. So we're going to start off with a character controller, and yeah, let's start. So character controller, and we're going to call it C character control. And then we have to add another public void float. That's going to be walk speed. You can add a value of equal to 10f. Okay, then on void awake. So we create void void awake, and in there we're just going to assign the character what? Why are you doing that? Character controller, we're going to be it's going to be equal to get component, and we're going to get a character controller. So we're just assigning that when the game starts. Then game void update on void update. We're going to add nothing yet because we first need to make another void. That's going to be move player. Okay, and then we can just assign move player to void update. So in move player, I'm going to go and say float, and it's going to be horizontal axis. So arrays for short, and we're going to get input dot get access, and the access what we're going to get is our horizontal axis, and then another one is going to be another float. It's going to be vert, smaller vert, going to be equal to input dot get axis, going to be a vertical axis, so vertical, and then that is our x, that is the input that we're getting. Now we just have to go and create the actual movement. So we're going to go to a vector, vector 3, we're going to call it move direction side. So that's going to be side to side, and it's going to be equal transform dot right multiply O O queries multiply bulk speed. It's easy as that. And now we have to do forward, so vector 3, I'm going to call it move direction forward. Going to be equal again transform dot forward multiply vertical axis multiply walk speed. It's easy as that. And then we just have to actually assign it to the character controller. So character controller dot simple move going to be move direction side, and then same just assign move direction forward. So let's save that, go back to the project, and let's see everything is working 100%. Okay. There's no character controller. We need a character controller. Okay. Oh my god. Something is heavily wrong. Why are you doing that? Let me just quickly check out what the hell is going on. Then I'll tell you now. Oh, I don't need for each body. Remove component. Leave. Okay. So everything is working 100%. So just remove the rigid body. I'm thinking of something else now that we'll do a little bit later on. But yeah, we got it. The basic camera movement and also the player movement. In the next video, we will go and do something fun, and that is going to be where we're going to pick up objects with magic, with raycasting, and yeah, so pick up and drop objects, and yeah. So I'll see you all in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it, and talk to you guys a little bit later. See you all in the next video. Cheers, guys.